You can earn significantly more credit card points for travel through business credit cards. Business credit cards often have offer bonuses of 100,000 points or more, and if you're not applying for business credit cards, you're kind of just missing out. But who can actually apply for business credit cards, and how do you apply for business credit cards? Well, my name is Max, and I help people maximize their airline miles, hotel points, and credit card points. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and let's get started. So first up, who can apply for business credit cards? Well, this one is simple. Anyone with a business. If anybody tells you you don't need a business to open a business credit card, well, they're probably lying to you. You do need a business. Some people don't realize they have a business though that might qualify for business credit cards. So what is considered a business? Well, any person that engages in a profit-driven activity is considered a business. For example, if a stay-at-home mom sells her kids' clothes on Facebook Marketplace, that is considered a business. If someone drives for Uber on the weekends, that is considered a business as well. If you tutor or babysit, that is considered a business. There's a common misconception that to be considered a business for the purpose of business credit cards, you need to be a large corporation with hundreds of employees. Well, that's just incorrect. It could just be you trying to make money as a side gig or freelancing on your free time. So you might have a business that qualifies for business credit cards and not even know it. Before we discuss the application process for business credit cards, I want to share a message from our sponsor, Melio. Sometimes as a business, you work with vendors who don't accept credit cards as payment. But how do you maximize your credit card points if your vendors don't accept credit cards? That's where Melio comes in. Melio is an easy to use business payment solution that can be used anywhere and from any device. You'll be able to pay your vendors quickly via Melio using your credit card for a small 2.9% fee, and your vendors will be paid according to their preferences, either directly to their bank account or with a paper check. And your vendors don't even have to sign up or be a Melio user in order to get paid. By paying your vendor with a credit card, your business can maximize your cash flow and also enjoy cash back, welcome bonuses, rewards, points, and other perks that your credit card company offers. There are also other same-day payment options available like fast ACH or instant transfers, and Melio also seamlessly syncs with QuickBooks and Xero so you can focus on your business and don't have to input your transactions into your accounting software manually. If you own a business, try Melio to simplify your payment process. So click the link in the description if you want to give Melio a try and make your first payment today. Thanks Melio for sponsoring today's video. And now let's get into why apply for business credit cards. You should apply for more business cards because you can earn more points. Duh. Well, that's not it. There's also other benefits too. Business cards are a great tool to fund your business. Sometimes they have 0% APR, and business cards are also a great way to keep your business spend and personal spend separate so your accountant won't hate you when it comes to tax time. And last but not least, business cards often come with welcome bonuses. The welcome bonuses tend to be higher than personal cards, but they often do require higher minimum spend requirements. So for example, the Chase Inc. Business Preferred minimum spend requirement is $8,000 in 3 months. That's $2,666 per month for your business spend. In some cases, that should be easy for businesses because that's the amount they would typically have in business spend a month anyways. But for someone who's a babysitter or a tutor or an Uber driver, that's a lot of spend in a month. Of course, there are business cards that have lower minimum spend requirements, but there are very, very few. I'll go over some of those towards the end of the video, so keep watching all the way to the end to see what my top picks for business cards are. But essentially what you should know right now is that in most cases, business cards require more minimum spend requirements in order to earn the welcome bonus. Now let's go through actually how to apply for a business credit card. This guide will walk you through a typical business credit card application process, which can be a little confusing if you're applying for the first time. This is just a guide. If you're unsure about any aspect of the application, then I recommend consulting with a business finance professional that can help you out. So first up, the application requires your personal information. This is because most business cards use your personal credit score to assess your borrowing responsibility. Generally, a personal credit score of 700 or more increases your chances of approval for business cards. Your total gross annual income refers to your personal income, not your business income. Remember, this section is for your personal information. Next is the business information. The legal business structure is where you specify the type of business. Select one of these if you're a formally structured business registered as an LLC, corporation, or partnership. If you're an individual who has no formal business information, like doing side gigs, Uber, tutoring, babysitting, etc., you're considered a sole proprietorship. And if you're a sole proprietor, the business name is simply your name. For the tax ID type, use your social security number if you don't have an EIN or an ITN number from the IRS. And if your business has a physical address, enter it here as well. Sole proprietors can use their personal address in the address box. The number of employees does not include yourself, so if you're the only employee or your sole proprietor, enter 0, then provide your business phone number. The business establishment date is self-explanatory, and next is the annual business revenue. This is the total amount your business makes in a year. I would be truthful here, as the credit card issuer may ask for proof of business revenue. Next, select the business category that best describes your business, and then provide a rough estimate of how much you plan to spend on the card. If you want employee cards, then you can add them here and then review the terms of the card. There are some certifications below the terms that you should review. One common question is whether you can use business cards for personal purposes, and I'll leave that up to you. Chase says no, but there are instances of people using their business cards for personal expenses without repercussion. The second item states that you're personally liable for the expenses on the business card, which is why they check your personal credit. If you don't keep up with your payments on your business credit cards, it'll negatively affect your personal credit score. Another key item is number 5. You need to be an authorized officer or someone with a significant responsibility or control of the business. You can't be an employee of a company and apply for a business card on your company's behalf. You can review the rest of the terms and then click on apply and hope for an instant approval. So my favorite business cards are from Chase, mainly for 2 reasons. Firstly, the annual fees on Chase business cards are lower, and the minimum spend requirements are lower than other business card options. If you want to apply for any of the business cards that I'm about to mention, the links are in the description, and it's a free way to support my channel. So Chase offers 4 business cards: the Ink Business Premier, the Ink Business Preferred, the Ink Business Unlimited, and the Ink Business Cash. The Ink Business Premier earns cash back only, so this is not the card to get if you want points for travel. The Ink Business Preferred earns points, and the annual fee is just $95, and the minimum spend requirement is $8,000 in 3 months, and the current bonus as of today is 100,000 Chase Ultimate Reward points. The other 2, Ink Business Cash and Ink Business Unlimited, both have no annual fees, which is super awesome, and the minimum spend requirement is $6,000 in 3 months, and the current bonus is 75,000 Chase Ultimate Reward points. Both the Ink Business Cash and the Ink Business Unlimited are marketed as cash back cards, but you'll earn the cash back in the form of Chase Ultimate Reward points. You'll need a Chase Sapphire card or an Ink Business Preferred if you want to be able to transfer your credit card points out to airline or hotel partners. Those are some of my favorite business cards. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below. I'll leave some videos over here you should check out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.